So I was listening to the, what you call it? Consular Office for Public Affairs, Jeremiah Knight, yesterday on Beyond the Headlines, talking to Earl Moxham about this issue. They're saying this is not new.
Yeah, I was watching our news and he's suggesting that he hasn't changed anything. There are levels apparently.
Yes.
We are now at 2. When you get to 4 means you just don't go to the country at all.
Yeah.
But apparently he says that this is not the only country that has this rating. He named some other countries.
Including UK and France, which doesn't make you feel so badly. But I think while he says this is reformatted and not revised information and that it was out there before and they're just now making it more easily accessible through the tiers, I think the problem that most people have is the statement that they made about the sexual assault being frequent even in all-inclusive. People are asking, where's the evidence to back that up? Think it's too much of a generalization and it will hurt us. They're saying they've, got their report, so they can't divulge because it's American citizens, but they've had reports. So,
and truth be told, I've never heard of that. I've never heard of even
but
one.
Even the people here, the local authorities are saying
not even one I hear about.
There have been instances, but nothing that would require that kind of sweeping generalization.
U.S. government personnel are prohibited from driving outside of Kingston at night. In Kingston, it warns against going downtown Kingston, which is defined as the areas between Mountain View and Hagley Park and south of Halfway Tree and Old Hope Roads. The areas it said should be avoided in Montego Bay areas. Isn't it flanker? As far as I know, it's flanker and not flankers.
People say flankers.
But I think it's
flankers.
Canterbury, Norwood, Rose Heights, Craven Street and Hart Street. But I find it interesting that when they have the Zoso.
Denham Town?
No, in Mobile.
Oh, Mount Salem.
But Mount Salem not in it? Maybe because of the Zoso.
That's interesting, but they have said Mobile.
Yeah, well they said Montego, but they were specific with the areas.
And Spanish Town, them said don't get Spanish, no place at all into Spanish Town.
I mean, even if it's we have the same rating as Sim says as France, it still just feel a way that you're saying, boy, my country so dangerous and tough that you can't even drive out of town.
I do think, though, that it's a good thing for the Americans to have a system where they let their citizens know, give them this information so they can choose. I just think we have to be careful about,
Yeah, because where I am a traveler coming from Wisconsin and I want to go to Montego Bay and then I read this, I will probably say, well...
But what Jeremiah is saying is that this has been there all along. It's just now that they've grouped us into tiers with other countries. So it's... Yeah.
You know where Matty Hole is?
It's in Portland, and it's underwater.
Yeah, I've never heard of
some
Matty
areas
Hole.
about 15
Never heard of
deep.
Darley, never heard of Bourbon, never heard of Maidstone. So how come them places in Jamaica and I don't know? I mean so old.
And you travel so plenty across the length and breadth.
They said the water estimated to be about 15 feet deep. It has covered a play field, banana trees, and it has forced residents to use rafts or trespass, it says, on private property to get in and out of their communities. Boy, again, I'm repeating myself, but I've never seen this, that we've had so much rain, so much consistent rain for so long. Never seen that.
Climate change is real, my friend.
Yep. What's the next one?
Today is the 8th anniversary of the earthquake, the devastating earthquake that hit, I was going to say 80, but it's really Haiti. July 15, was it July 15? 20?
It said since July 2015.
Okay, I'm looking for the actual dates of the earthquake. I don't see it here. Well, obviously it's today. Today's what date?
The 12th. Yeah.
So January 12th, 8 years ago. The country is still not back to where it was. I guess there's still shanty towns and tents and all these other things that are happening. But I know they're having different events today to mark the anniversary. I know the U.S. is doing some stuff in that community. It's interesting that on the eve of the anniversary, President Trump had some very horrible things to say about people from this nation or about the nation itself. But they say since July 2015, that's just about 2 years ago, 230,000 Haitians, 16% minors, have had to leave the neighboring Dom Rep following changes in immigration law and aid is needed to help them resettle in Haiti. The humanitarian response plan was created in partnership with the UN agencies that are working in Haiti, but risks falling short of the needed funding as it has in the past. So they say in 2017 only 37% of the funds that were needed were actually raised, and they are saying that they still need help. So hopefully they will
Incredible.
get
Look
the
at
help
that. Look at that. Incredible.
that they need.